Hello, this is Mr. Parks with the video for 6th grade for March the 19th, covering the work from Wednesday the 18th. I have my wonderful math assistant Ernie with me today. He has double checked to make sure that I don't make any mistakes on the video, at least with the answers to the questions. So I've went ahead and pre-filled in a bunch of the stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at our problems. I'll kind of explain them as we go. So number one, we have 12 inches per foot. So if I do 72 divided by 12, I would get exactly 6 feet. Number four, I have 4 quarts to a gallon. So I can do 4 times 4 to get 16 quarts. Number two, the pizzeria uses 35 quarts on Saturday and 21 on Sunday. If I add those, I get 56. I have 4 quarts in a gallon. 56 divided by 4 would give us 14. Number 6, there are 60 seconds in a minute, so that is going to come out to be 660 seconds in 11 minutes. Number 8, so let's go from smallest to largest. So 1 pint is going to be a half a quart. It is also going to be 2 cups. And then 2 pints is equal to 1 quart, 4 cups is equal to 1 quart, and then 4 quarts and 16 cups are equal to a gallon. Number 10, so 1.3 liters is equal to 1,300 milliliters. So our first one would be less, our middle one would be equal to, and 1303 would be greater than 1.3 liters. Number 11, this person is competing in a triathlon. So the way that I figure out the answer is I go ahead and change it beforehand. So I'd have 20 kilometers plus 5 kilometers plus 0.75 to get 25.75. Writing it out as equation, we can go ahead and take our meters and add those 3 together to get 25,750. Divide that by 1,000 to get 2575. And our last, number 13, almost our last problem. So 11,028 meters is equivalent to 11.028 kilometers. So 1,000 meters per kilometer. If I take this number and multiply it by 100, I would get this number for the number of centimeters. If I take this number and multiply it by 1,000, I would get the number of millimeters. So that gives us letter A, letter D, letter E. And our last problem, a car weight of 2,500 pounds would be 1 ton and a quarter of a ton. So if I can do $500 for a ton, and then 1/4 of that would be $125. I can ship the car for $625. The van would be 2 tons and 1/4. So 500 plus 500 plus 125 would give us 1125. And if I had exactly 5,000 pounds, that would be 2.5 tons. And that would give us 500 plus 500 plus 250, which is the exact amount, 1,250. So I'm 100 pounds over, so I would be just slightly above 1,250 for that one. But we didn't ask to get an exact answer for that. So I hope those help you for the problems for today. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to me via email or Class Dojo. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good day.